Hi everyone. Welcome to the post-market report for August 18th, 2026. Here we are going to discuss how the markets traded today along with some stocks in news as well as bonus coverage of a commodity in focus. First and foremost, let us check out what transpired for Nifty today. Nifty opened in the red and traded with a negative bias for most of the trading session as it extended its losing streak to close lower by 0.55% or 132.75 points at 24,156.90. The correction seen today was due to weak global cues, rise in crude oil prices and FYI outflows. The sectors traded mixed to negative today with IT and Realty correcting the most while media posted the highest gains. Volatility for the index rose mildly, levels may be moved lower, given today's correction with supports now being at 24,135, followed by 24,045, while resistances may be placed at 24,240, followed by 24,335. For tomorrow, given the fact that crude prices have stabilized at higher levels, Nifty may trade with a positive bias with upside capped on account of value buying at lower levels as Q1 numbers impress in most sectors. FII selling may, however, continue to pressure as long as external factors remain negative with all eyes on Fed minutes, which are poised to be released tomorrow evening. The NSE index may be expected to witness stronger positive momentum above 24,675, while a break below 24,135 could result in selling pressure intensifying further. Next, we proceed to check how SENSEX fared. SENSEX 2 closed lower and fell by 0.63% or approximately 493 points at approximately 77,435. Levels for SENSEX may be adjusted downwards as well, with supports now being at 77,185, followed by 76,995, while resistances may be placed at 77,355, followed by 77,560. Sensex may witness bullishness above 78,955 while bearishness may be observed if the index falls below 77,185. Now, let us take a look at how crude oil has traded thus far. Crude oil prices opened higher but has been trading mostly sideways within a range at higher levels. Prices seem to have stabilized for now as there have been no fresh escalations in the Middle East despite the Strait of Hormuz remaining closed. Volatility at the energy counter has risen significantly as compared to yesterday. Levels for crude oil may be adjusted upwards once again with supports now being at 8,130 followed by 8,045 while resistances may be placed at 8,200 followed by 8,270. For today, crude prices may be expected to trade sideways with a mild positive bias as supply concerns currently outweigh increased production by OPEC plus nations. Prices may be expected to remain elevated and may even creep upwards if there are no improvements in the West Asia conflict. Traders may continue with the buy-the-dip approach, albeit with strict stop losses to shield against sudden reversals due to profit booking. The commodity may witness buying momentum intensifying above 8,270, while a break below 7,700 could send prices lower. Finally, let us look at a few stocks in the news today. MCX is planning to invest around 200 crore rupees to develop coal and minerals trading platforms as it looks to expand beyond its existing commodity derivatives business. The exchange is seeking the necessary licenses to launch coal and minerals exchanges, according to Managing Director Praveena Rai. ICICI Bank has raised another $750 million through overseas borrowing, taking its total dollar-denominated fundraising to around $2.05 billion in a month. The move comes as Indian banks accelerate overseas borrowing ahead of the early closure of the RBI's swap window. Hindustan Copper plans to invest around 7,000 crore rupees over the next 5 to 6 years to expand its operations and capacity. The investment comes as copper demand is expected to rise, driven by infrastructure development, renewable energy, electric mobility, and other clean energy applications. Before we sign off, we would like to let you know that free webinars will be conducted on Friday and over the weekend. On Friday at 3:15 p.m., Mr. Sanjay G will be conducting a webinar on the topic Improve Your Trading Accuracy with a Powerful Trendline plus Rule-Based Candlestick plus EMA Scalping Strategy. On Saturday at 12 p.m., Mr. Amol Chapi will be conducting a webinar on the topic Increase Your Probability using Liquidity, Round Number Patterns, Double Top and Double Bottom Strategy. And on Sunday at 3 p.m., Mr. Chetan Gupta will be conducting a webinar on the topic Volatility-Based Options Trading Strategy using IV Rank, IV Percentile, and Vega. Do check the description for the webinar links. With this, we end our post-market report for today. Thanks a lot for watching. And as always, do not forget to add a like, share the video, and subscribe to our channel for stock market-related updates.